Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Hold on, let me clean the camera off real quick. Alright, that's better. So day 4 or 5? I think 4. Look, check this shit out. Okay, so it's my boy's birthday tomorrow. So I made him a fucking cake. I was making a cake and then I was like, oh shit, it's gonna be his birthday. So I put happy birthday in the car. And I'm gonna give that to Tuesday. And then I made brownies. This is like protein bar in this. And not just like shit. Alright, shit. Like the brownie part itself just fucking turned out like shit. It's mostly because I burned the protein part. But this tastes like shit overall. So, out cooks. How fun cook. But, no. Hungry. I'm hungry. Oh, it exploded. It went everywhere. No, Jip. No. It's not right, cuz. Oh my god. Yo, there's juice everywhere, bro. Oh my. Nah, on the wall, DZ. Nah, bro. Come on, son. That is not good eats, bro. Damn it, there's little juice on everything. Cuz. Oh my, so I can make sure. Dog, I go to smash the box, and now there's juice just everywhere, bro. Like, bro. Oh, bro. Man, come on. Nah, my boy got fucked up. Oh, there's some juice in it? Oh, no. Damn, the whole thing. The whole thing busted. Damn, hold on, I gotta. That is not what I meant to do. I meant to just break the fucking box open because I only had one hand. Oh my god. The floor's soaked. Alright, bro, give me 1 sec. I gotta fucking clean this up. Okay. Now that I cleaned that up, let me close this shit so you don't have to hear the shit. Quit. Clap it up. Back for day 4. My boy is consistent already. Got a new one. It's this time Capri Sun. Oh, wrong end. You just gotta. That's how you're supposed to drink it. Mid flavor. Pacific Cool is always mid. But anyways, that wasn't supposed to happen at all. But welcome. Today, clap it up. Clap it up. Little juice. But anyways, let's focus. Back to work. Today we are learning where to set, when you get in a trade, where to set your stop losses, how to use stop losses, how to use take profits, and where to put your take profits, and how many you should use and shit like that. And, I forgot, and how much you should be leveraging on each trade. Not leveraging, how much you should be risking. Risk management, no. Risk management needs to be another whole video. So today is just take profits and stop losses. So a little bit shorter. I'll split the two up because if I put them together, it's going to be like a 45 minute video. So I'm just going to make this one maybe like 15, 20 minutes today. Just keep it nice short. Simple, and I have some fucking dog shit looking brownies over there I gotta fucking clean and throw away because I wasted them. I don't know how to make brownies at all. Alright, let's get on to the charts, alright? Let's get banging on the charts. All right. First things first. Where the fuck is our charts? Oh, I've been working on a new website because I hate how my website is for detailing. So let me show you it. I'll go where. So I'm trying to set everything up, but this is a new one. Oh, I didn't even start screen recording yet. Oh, you cornball! So you didn't see anything. Okay, that's fine. I didn't show you much anyways. There we go. Now you have it. Okay. So basically, this is my old website. I hate it. Absolutely hate the way it looks. It's too, yeah. But the thing I like about this is it's meant for my businesses like mine. So the appointment system is great. You know, the calendar system is great. You know, connects to the mobile app, which is great. I can keep good track. And then I switched to Shopify. I'm trying out Shopify, and this is my new website I'm working on right now. Obviously, nothing is close to done, so I just started working on it yesterday. I got my logo, and that said, providing top quality auto detailing in the Aquidneck area with a book an appointment button and some two nice pictures. And then our services, obviously I know this looks like trash, but I have to fix everything. Got basic exterior, basic interior, engine bay detail, that's your car by the way. Full premium detail, and for nowadays Ferrari, headlight restoration, paint correction, that's a video, stain removal, which I had to take those pictures because I didn't have any picture of me doing stain removal, and wash and wax, which I have to get a new picture because that quality is dog shit. But the problem is that I don't like about this thing is it feels like it just doesn't feel like a service-based thing, you know. It feels like I'm going in like just like in the checkout process. You know, this is complicated. This pops up immediately. People won't even know this to pick their car here, and then the calendar system is trash and shit. And then so you have like this and stuff. It's not even just it feels like I'm buying a fucking engine bay detail, like as a physical product. So it's just bad. But I like this part, which I'm trying to integrate on here. So I might just try another website like Wix or something. But the appointment system on this thing is so amazing. So maybe I just might start her a whole fresh thing, but I have all school year to work on it. But it's just something to do because for the 4-day weekend, I was just trying to find something to do. I've been bored out of my mind and going to the gym tomorrow. Kobe. Oh, helicopter crashed. That sucks. God bless. God bless. Alright. Let's stop fucking around. Alright, let's get into the charts. Which I have to pull up because I just have all my business website shit. And video. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. We are this post market from Friday. Tomorrow morning, I'm leaving at 9 for the gym. Probably gonna go for like an hour and a half. So 10:30, get back 11, start trading. Okay, that's fine. What I really like, because by the time it's 11, bro, the moves already happened, and then liquidity won't get taken in. Shit. Gym or trading. I gotta take the gym because I haven't gone in a couple of days, and I can probably still find a good opportunity after 11 tomorrow. But I'm gonna start back testing my liquidity, EMA, and RSI strategy. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, today, like I said, we are talking about when you're in. Oh, come on. When you're in a trade, ooh, I could do that. I could basically make a doc, and then whenever we talk about something and I'm typing on there, I could just share that with you. I'm just going to start that now. Docs. Because that'd be good, because if you need to go back to anything, my new journal, old journal. I did start doing that. Okay. Rethink docs explanation while doing video. Ta-da! Okay, so today we are talking about take profits. No, we're talking about when you when you are in a trade, we're talking about take profits, stop losses, what they are, how to use them effectively, and when to use them. Great start. All right, so this is what we're going to talk about today. Take profit, stop losses, what they are, how to use them effectively, and when to use them. So, take profits. Can I draw on this? A premium. What the fuck is that? So it doesn't look like I can draw. Oh, drawing. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So take profits are basically. Can I use curves or arrows like multiple? Okay. Let's use polygon. Okay. So say price is just going right, doing its thing, and I don't know. Can you take the polygon off now? Holy shit. Thank you. Okay. That's price. Okay, that's just price market going up, down, blah, blah, blah. You know, whatever. Say, you have... Okay, let's do this. Okay, so say you are a trendline trader. You know, just for example, okay? Say you see prices just going up, down, and it is respecting this trend line. Price went up, price came down. Price went up, price came down. Every time it touches the trend line, goes up. Simple trend line, okay? So, say you want to take this trade, and you want to get in for longs, which means you want to go... I keep saying longs. Yeah, longs is fine. I keep thinking about calls and puts. That's options. That's just bad terminology. Longs. You want to go long. So you think price is going to need to go higher. Okay. That is fine. So then you get in here, say for example, what the fuck is this? Okay. What is this bullshit ass drawing software, bro? Okay, so say you get in here, wherever this triangle shit is, and you want price to come down, bounce, and go higher. You want price to go higher. So, you get in here, okay, you get in at this price right here, at the trend line touch, which is an amazing fill, which is a great place to get filled because you saw price here bounced on it, bounced twice. So you're betting that the third time price comes down, it's going to go higher, okay? That's great. That's a perfectly fine trade and a great place to get in. And say you want price to go up. So you should set your take profits either, let's do a simple version and complicated version. Say this is the high of day, right here. This is high of day. This is the highest point in that day that price has gotten to. So up here, this is the highest point price has gotten to. So obviously now that we know this is where people were shorting, where market went the highest and then created the lowest point of the day, that means, like we talked about the other day, that's how you know where liquidity is. Low of day. There we go. Low of day. So this is the lowest point that was made during that day. So you right now are trying to trade on this. So if you get in here, your take profit, which basically means take profit is if you're in a trade, it's basically at what point are you going to take your money and get out. Take your money that you made and get out of the trade. Same thing for stop losses. How far are you going to let price go in the negative, losing money before you just get out the trade and take your loss? Simple, okay? So the way to use this, which you can, I can show you right now, because actually market PM session just open, always open Sunday night. Notes, password, don't take my fucking account, you little dirty dog. Just gotta wait for this to open. Hello? Is it even loading? All right, guess it's not getting to the account. Okay. Anyways, so basically, if you're in a trade, you can obviously just set points where you want to get out. But for me personally, if you get in this trade, right, and price jumbles around this area a little bit, just consolidating, breaks a little bit, but then goes higher, right, gets that bounce that you initially wanted, right? So now you're being pretty confident because buyers are now pushing this thing higher. Your first take profit, depending on how many contracts you size, would obviously be this point right here. Right there. That's where I personally would put my first take profit, because if we're going to keep going up, we would at least get higher than the last point. So then price comes up, okay, boom. First take profit hit. Now you've profited maybe, let's say, four or 500, depending on how big of a movement this is. And then price comes down, touches the trend line again. This right here is where you break even. This line right here is your break even, which is where you got in. So no matter how far or how close, as long as price is above where you got in, you're in the green. Same thing with red. If it's no matter how far or how close it is, you're going to be in the red. Same thing, vice versa, for green and red. No, and your position will not move. So price could go crazy low and then come back up, and you're going to be the same. So you could go all the way from really red to even break even to a little bit of green. So that's just break even, and so when I'm mentioning break even, that's where it's basically where you got in the trade. And then price comes in and then bounces again, and then say your final take profit is the higher day, but then doesn't get to that price and then sells off like crazy. I'm just making this up, obviously. You're see how right here, say when you go to place your order, which in the future you're going to be trading on Tradeovate or many platforms, you can click on the chart and it'll be a line across the thing. If this thing can load, I could show you. I don't know why it's not. Tradeovate. Bada boom, bada bing. Load. There we go. Okay, then I can show you them. And then trying to explain it to you. I'll actually get in a position so that you can understand it. Let's go to my 41 account. Okay, let's go to price. Price is just doing whatever right now. Okay, so let me show you. This is like actual trade right here. So as we can see, price was selling off the entire time and then made a new high. So let me just get in that position. I'm just gonna do a quick micro just to show you. Let's go one, back to price. Okay. Price hitting a 200-day, whatever. Okay.
Order filled.
So as you heard right there, order filled, which means tell you your order was filled. It's just a nice little touch to things. But as you can see, right here, that blue line is where you got filled, and it also, as you can see right here, also tells you where your order or where you got filled or where you are at position, the position you are in. Blue line means anytime price is below the blue line, you are at a loss of money. Anytime price is above that blue line, you're at an up in money. And you can see price came up, touched the 9-day, rejected. Now I'm down $10. Yada yada, whatever. And then one thing you can do is you can just click on say I don't want price. If price comes any lower than this 200-day, I can click on it, and since I'm gonna buy, I would sell one stop. So as you can see, that red line right there, not the first one, that's just talking about the low of the session. I'm talking about this red one right here. I'll move it a little bit farther down. So say I didn't want price to go down lower than this. Whenever price comes down to this and either hits 387.75 or anything below that, the trade will automatically close it for you. So you'll be taken out and get your realized loss. And same thing. So say if I wanted to target these highs up here, all I have to do is go up here and sell. So if price comes down here and hits this, then I'll get out the trade for a loss. If price comes up, hits this, then I'll get a trade for a win. And same thing for loss. So I'll get out of this real quick.
Order filled.
And then go short.
Order filled.
So same thing for a loss or a short. Whenever you're in a short, which is very important, which I got confused with this platform when I first started. Whenever you buy something, just think about buy. When you buy something, you're looking to sell it. When you're looking to sell it, when you're selling, you're looking to buy it. So if you're ever in a short, you want to set your stop loss and your take profit, you would want to do buy, because if you're short one and buy one, now you're done. You buy one, you sell one, now you're done. So that's vice versa, same thing. That's how you use stop losses. That's what they're used for and things like that. So say price is moving like crazy. Price is just up, down, sideways, all in like very volatile, volume heavy morning fill. You can then use your, which is very effective, stop loss and stuff. So say this candle's going crazy, but I don't want to, because our reaction time is very much slower and the market moves way too fast to get in like at a certain level and get out at a certain level because the market's just moving like crazy. So it's very important to use these if you're in a more riskier trade, not very high leverage, because how you get yourself fucked over. Because if price, jumping around, going crazy, but then hits it right here, it'll automatically fill. And then say at that point, price just skyrockets and you're short. At least you won't lose way more money than you were supposed to. Same thing with losses and take profits. Same thing. So if price goes crazy high for a split second, hits your TP, and then goes right back down, at least you realized and took your money and you took your profit while you could. So I'm gonna get out this trade.
Order
I
filled.
lost $21 because of your dumbass. That's funny. Okay, so that's basically how this works. But if same thing here. So say
Order
I
filled.
set my stop loss right here, okay, and I set it right here. Price could come all the way. I'm filled at 444.50. If price comes all the way to 444.25 and then rejects, my order won't get filled because it has to hit that 44.50 level, and that and then it can go the other way or whatever it wants to happen. But it has to hit your position, your price, or you won't get filled. So sometimes when price is going really crazy, sometimes you won't get filled, especially, that's a fat ass boogie. So sometimes if price is moving like absolutely crazy, say like OFMC, which is interest rate decision, how much more people will pay for things. Price will sometimes move so fast it won't hit your thing because your order didn't get filled because it's moving so fast. So it's important to sometimes to get out manually and keep your hand on that exit all positions button to get out, so that way you don't necessarily lose. My bad. What am I, long right now? Am I long? I can't tell. Yeah, I'm long. So let's go. 15 minutes. Oh, we're on the 15 minute. I forgot. 15 minute, 200 day. Shit. Yeah, I'll
Order filled.
I don't usually trade, PM, but longs are looking. I'm gonna see if we can hold 200 day, and then I'm gonna set up my stop loss right here, which is, how close is that to price? Okay, no, I'll just keep this in the background. Maybe I can make my $20 back. I never trade this. I never trade this kind of crap. Actually, I'll put it a little bit lower. I don't want to get stopped out because of liquidity. Okay. Right. So that's pretty much stop losses and take profits, how they're used effectively. It's basically, stop losses are used to keep your loss to a minimal, and take profit is like, say if price is moving really fast, or you're just not watching your trade, saying you're in the middle class, like I do it all the time. It's just like a mental place to like, okay, my take profit is set, and I'm winning, I'm making money right now. Don't get greedy or don't get scared to take your profit. Just let your trade play out. And same thing with stop losses, because I had such a problem with when I was up a little bit of money to take it out so fast, and price would keep going without me, and I could have made much more money. And then when price just dumps and I'm down so much money, I'm like, oh, come on, please come back, please come back, please come back. I was so quick to take my money and so slow and hopeful that when I was in the red for price to come back. So yeah, that is that explained for you. Take profits, stop losses, what they are, how to use them effectively, and when to use them. We talked about all of that. So that's pretty much a short video for today, only about 20 minutes. My explanation was a little shitty, but here, perfect example right here. So you can see my orders I put right here, and price is coming down right now.
Stop filled.
And perfect. As you can see, price came down, hit that level, and then took the trade out. That's perfectly exactly what I wanted to happen. So now I'm down $58. Nice. But this is an eval, so this doesn't matter. This is already down like $500 or whatever, so that's fine. But as you can see, You saw that live that price came down, wicked it, and it took me out. And so now my position's down to 0. So now that so that if price goes any lower, that way I'm not losing any more money without knowing. But regardless of that, I think tomorrow when I do come back and trade, I really need to stay here for market open. I feel like the one day I can. Okay, I'll record trading tomorrow after market open. But hopefully I can just go back and replay the market, and hopefully liquidity won't be hit. And tomorrow we can do like a quick hour session, maybe like 10 to 10:30. Oh, but then 10 a.m. candle and everything. You have so much. You're gonna miss so much. That's alright. I'll record it tomorrow or Tuesday in class. Yeah, I'll fucking not pay attention to class so I can get you that info. That's fine. That's fine. As long as I can just show you it and then just like be in back class, be like, yeah. So as you can see, like and I can explain it to you later or over voice it. But that's pretty much it. I took a $50 loss so that way you could learn. Yay! That's fine. See, price dumped and I'm not losing any more money because my order got filled. But as you can see, RSI is getting oversold a little bit. Where's our liquidity? Our liquidity is sitting down here. So if we can get a liquidity sweep of that 15-minute, I low-key might go long on E-minis. Come on, sweep that liquidity, baby. We swept topside liquidity, which was very weird. But if we can come down a little bit more, you can actually maybe watch this trade in action. So we're sweeping liquidity right now. Oh, that's a great sweep. Oh, no, not 5. Damn, I really wanted to get in right there, too. I'll take
Order filled.
I almost went long 5 contracts, which would have been so stupid. But as you can see, how much more see, I would have got filled down here. Dang, that's rough. I should have known. See, liquidity got swept. RSI's oversold under the red line, and 200-day EMA is holding up. So now I want to see price reverse and at least take these highs up here. And if we do come back up, I'll add another contract. So I'm already up $10. So, and then I'm gonna keep my stop loss just below that wick. For probably like $100 loss or something. That'll be great. Actually, no, I'll keep it right here because this is where liquidity is setting. See that left right there, that wick, how far price came down to grab that. So, and if price will probably come to hit my shit and then reverse, but in at this level. And RSI is getting oversold. But it's not as oversold as I would want it to be honest. Let me put this back down. But I think I'm going at a good level because this is the 200-day. And this was the other day. So that was Friday. Yeah, but I think this trade has very good potential. Getting close to that add contract. So you can also use that as places to add more position, to add more risk. What I want to see now is price. I want to see price break that 9-day, because 9-day is, as we're under it, that is where resistance is. So I want to see price get above, add that, and then when price gets above, then I will move my stop loss to break even. That is a really low. But I would want to see price come up here. So from here to here, that's a great trade right here because look, I'm at $3.98. I'm only losing $8 compared to profiting $3.98 to $4.18. So it's almost like 20. So that is great trades. Let's talk about risk to reward ratios. That is also something I missed. Risk to reward ratios, also known as RR ratio. It's basically how much are you risking to how much are you making. Are you going to risk $500 to make $10? That would be a garbage play. That would be like the worst thing you could do. Maybe risking $100 to make $500. That is great because you are 5 to 1. Every $100 you are making every $20 you are making $100. So that is a 5 risk to reward ratio, which is amazing, which would be great. So here, my risk to reward ratio is 3.93. 390. It's $21 compared to 8. So if you take 21 divided by 8, my risk reward ratio is about 2.62, which is great. Anything around 2 and up, 2 to 1 is great. You don't want to do 1 to 1s. You don't want to do anything less than 1. You ever do anything less than 1, should not take that trade at all. But you just want to make sure that whatever you're risking is significant, is at least double, or at least, which I usually do, is triple the amount that I am risking. Because if you lose, then at that point, at least you had plenty to gain. It would have been a very good trade. And most times you will have a very good play, but the market would just be like, nah, and it would just take you out. And that's fine, because as long as your trade was good, you were managing correctly, your trade where you got in was a great place to get in, your take profits, your plan was good. Because market would do that sometimes. Like, I will have great trades, and sometimes the market would just want to go in the other direction, and that's completely fine, as long as your trades are good. But gambling and not having good trades is what you don't want to do. But I want to see price now starting to reverse, because actually I don't want to be at the tip. I want to get back at this wick, because you can see price also wicked here, so much liquidity above that wick. But now I want to see price create a higher high. Well, another higher high, because price came down, price came up, price came down, price made a higher high. Price really should have reversed here, but if maybe that 1 minute 200 day is what we're facing. My phone's low, forgot about that. But I am buying at the bottom of the range at that 200. But I think it's a great trade. We're probably risking for like a $300-400 loss to a $100 loss. $300 to $400 win compared to a $100 loss. Here we go. I want to see price break this 200 and absolutely rip. Fill my second order. Because look, on the RSI, we're not even close to oversold. Oversold is all the way, it would probably be back around here. So if RSI does get sold, we're probably going to pull back to that 9-day or correct itself, so 9 days coming down, you got price coming up to it, we'll probably break through, and then as price is going, 9 day will correct, bounce off 9 day, and then probably make that high and get that 200-day touch. But this is honestly a great play. It's just these candles are moving so slow because nobody's trading right now. It is 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, and honestly, I might just take actually, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, because I shouldn't even be trading right now, but I would just showing you an example. But it looks like this 9 days holding, so if we, if we do get that, that break here, then we'll see it. But if not, that's not. But honestly, I gotta use the bathroom, and that's pretty much it for today. Take profits, stop losses, and risk to reward ratio. If you got any questions, bro, let me know, and I love you.